let's talk about lace front wigs. What does that term mean and what exactly do they look like? So I'm wearing a lace front right here, and I have another lace front here to show you exactly how this type of wig is constructed. Now, when you hear the term lace front, what that means is that you're going to have a piece of delicate lace attached to the very front or hairline of your wig. This is where hairs are going to be individually sewn in to help mimic a natural looking hairline. Now, in addition to the lace here in the front, you're going to have a silk top. So there's two different materials making up the top of a lace front wig. Now, you're kind of getting the best of both worlds because you're getting a built-in hairline with the lace along the front, and then you're also getting the not only durability of a silk top, but also that very realistic looking part line. So with a silk top, the way the hairs are attached is that when they are knotted, the knots are underneath the silk material. So you're never gonna have to worry about hiding knots, concealing knots, or bleaching knots. They're just going to be invisible from the start. The one thing to keep in mind with lace fronts is that you wanna have a really good transition from the silk top to the lace front. When you run your finger here, you shouldn't feel a big bump or a big step up between the two materials. You want a nice, flat, smooth transition. When I put my finger under here, you can barely see where it transitions so that it is undetectable. When you have that big bump or that big step up, it can be a dead giveaway and it can be hard to conceal. But with a well done lace front, that transition should be almost undetectable. Here is a comparison of what a lace front looks like compared to a lace top. So here on the lace front, you can see the lace is only in this very front section of the wig for the hairline. And with a lace top, the lace material is going to make up the scalp or part line area as well as the hairline area. With lace front wigs, it is important to note that over time, the lace will require maintenance. So about every 12 to 18 months, you may need to have more hair sewn in, or you may need to replace the lace. It's just important to know that the wig itself will outlast the lace section of your wig because it is a finer and more delicate material. A common question about lace front wigs is, can you see the lace on your forehead? Now, from here, a comfortable distance away, obviously you cannot see the lace anywhere on my forehead. Now, if someone were to get uncomfortably close to your face and know to be looking for a lace front, I will get very, very, very close to my camera. So right here is where my lace is. So, I mean, it's really undetectable. It should really melt into your forehead. So no, as long as your lace is clean and trimmed, which I will cover in another video, the lace should be undetectable. And unless someone is, this close to your face, they won't be able to notice it. So pros and cons of lace front wigs. The pros are that they are more durable, they tend to last longer, and depending on how much density you like, could be a pro or a con, but lace front wigs can handle more density, but they can also be thinned out to a very natural density. So they are versatile that way. Cons are that you do have a transition between materials here. So as long as that's well done, you should be good. If it's not well done, it could be very hard to disguise and it could be a dead giveaway. Cons also, this is a little bit heavier than a full lace top wig, just because you do have the silk top here. But overall, this is the type of wig that I wear the most. I hope you found this video helpful and check out some more wig lingo for related terms.